These are the Akko Matcha Greens. You may have heard the hype around these switches for their amazing performance despite being sold at a low price of 25 cents per switch. Although the materials aren't officially stated, I assume the top is polycarbonate, the housing is nylon, and the stems are palm. They use a 50-gram progressive spring. These switches use KL-style latches and are 3-pin plate mounted. These switches do not require any filming as they are very tight and have very little stem wobble compared to KS8 Gateron yellows. Here's a quick sound test. I think these sound great and feel amazing for budget switches and would highly recommend them if you're tight on money or new to the keyboard hobby. Anyways,